Audio Jungle.
AnkerMake Kickstarter MC5 3D printer.
Audio Jungle.
It's been less than a year since AnkerMake surprised the world with its impressive M5 3D printer, the first it had ever made.
Audio Jungle.
Things have changed quite a bit since then. Several companies now offer staggeringly fast printers at otherwise reasonable prices, and AnkerMake has worked hard to continuously improve this machine while also lowering its price from the original $800 to a much more competitive $560. Rather than continue to drop that price, there's a new AnkerMake available. The new MC5 drops a few features from the original to cut costs, allowing this version to be sold for $399, £399 or roughly 780 Australian dollars. The world is filled with products that become far less capable or worthwhile when features are shaved off for a budget version. The M5C has proved itself to be the exception which proves the rule, thanks in no small part to a superior software experience. Small yet important hardware changes.
Audio Jungle.
Unless you're reasonably familiar with 3D printers, there's a good chance if you saw an AnkerMake M5 and an AnkerMake M5C side by side, you'd barely notice they weren't the same machine. AnkerMake kept the same basic design with the same color scheme, and the two machines move identically when printing. In truth, however, the M5C has trimmed quite a bit from what exists on the M5. The touch screen is gone, there's no camera to show you what your in-progress print looks like from far away, and the build plate is smaller. I expected to notice these differences a lot more than I did. In fact, I found myself appreciating what the M5C does better than the M5 quite a bit more. Moving the software to your laptop and phone.
Audio Jungle.
If you're new to the world of 3D printing, you really can't do much better than the AnkerMake app experience right now. The included easy mode makes it possible for anyone to grab a file from the internet and have it appear before them in a matter of hours with very little instruction. There are a lot of 3D printer apps out there right now, and few of them are designed with novice users in mind without taking away the settings experts look for. Having an app that works for all skill sets makes a significant difference. As great as the wireless and multi-platform experience is here, the AnkerMake app needs to continue growing and improving. In a recent update, this app has started warning against using slicer apps outside of the AnkerMake experience with claims of quality or performance issues. Instead of trying to scare people out of leaving the platform, I would encourage the AnkerMake folks to identify the reasons people are doing so and address them. Should you buy the AnkerMake M5C? Probably. If you're looking for a consistently good 3D printer for less than $400, the AnkerMake M5C would likely be my first recommendation. The print quality out of the box isn't quite as good as the less expensive Anycubic Cobra 2, but that can easily be addressed in settings. What can't be addressed in the settings of other printers is a high-quality software experience that regularly receives updates with new features that you can interchangeably access between platforms. And as long as the AnkerMake team keeps delivering on that great experience, it will continue to be a significant advantage over a lot of its competitors. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you've been enjoying the content so far, if you want to watch this type of video, so don't wait. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become an integral part of our YouTube family. Thanks for subscribe and welcome to the family.